In today's video, we will be covering multiple choice questions from the chapter Polynomials. The next question is, if one root of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other, let one root be alpha. If one root be alpha, what will be the reciprocal of the other root? Other root will be reciprocal is 1 by alpha. Right? If one root is alpha, the other root will be 1 by alpha. So, the given polynomial is 5x square plus 13x plus k. So, you need to find the value of k. K is in the constant place. So, if you want the value of c, you will take product of the roots. What will be the product of roots? That is alpha beta, which is c by a. So what is alpha beta? Alpha into 1 by alpha. We are just multiplying the two roots. One is alpha and the other root is 1 by alpha, because they have given one root is the reciprocal of the other root. Alpha into 1 by alpha is equals to c by a. So alpha into 1 by alpha is equals to, what is c? C is equals to k, and what is a? A is 5. A is 5. Okay. Alpha and alpha gets cancelled. So if you cross multiply it, k is equals to 5. So k is equals to 5 is your answer. So the next one is, if alpha beta are the roots of the polynomial, then we need to find alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. So what is the given polynomial? F of x is equals to x square minus p of x plus 1 minus c. Okay. So from this, x square minus xp minus p minus c. Okay. So we need to find alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. Right. So what is alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1? So you need to multiply these two. That is alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1. Okay. Now you need to find alpha beta and alpha plus beta. Now from this f of x, you need to find alpha beta and alpha plus beta and substitute in this. Okay. So what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. Right. What is minus b by a? That is minus of minus p upon 1. A is 1. Right. Which is p. And what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is c by a. C is minus p minus c by a is again 1, which is minus p and minus c. Now we will substitute alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this one. Okay. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is minus p and minus c. Now let us put here minus p minus c plus what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is p plus p plus 1. Plus p and minus p gets cancelled, which is 1 minus c. So 1 minus c is your answer. Okay. If one zero of the given polynomial is reciprocal of the other, then we need to find the value of k. So let us take 1 0 be alpha. What will be the reciprocal of the other? That will be 1 by alpha. Yes. So now let us take 1 0 be alpha. what will be the reciprocal be? Reciprocal will be 1 by alpha. Yes, so we need to find the product. Yes, to find the value of k is in the constant, right? K is in the constant. So we need to find product. Okay. Product of zeros is equals to alpha beta, which is C by A. What is alpha beta? They have given 1 0 and the reciprocal of the zeros, which is alpha into 1 by alpha. And from the given f of x is equals to k square plus 4 of x square plus 13x plus 4k. From the given polynomial, what is a? A is equals to k square plus 4 and b is equals to 13, c is equals to 4k. So what is c here? C is 4k and a will be k square plus 4. So alpha and alpha gets cancelled, right? When you cross multiply it, that will be k square plus 4 is equals to 4k. If you get all the terms to one side, that will be k square minus 4k plus 4 is equals to 0, right? So if you see this is in the form a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, so here a is your k and b is your 2, right? So that will be k minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. So if k minus 2 whole square is equals to 0, k minus 2 is equals to 0. Yes, correct. So k is equals to 2. So the value of k is 2. The next one is ax plus b represents linear polynomial, right? Because the degree of ax plus b is 1, x power 1, right? X power 1. So it is a linear polynomial. And the next one, ax square plus bx plus c is a general form for the quadratic polynomial because the highest degree of ax square, right? The first term is ax square and the highest degree is 2, which is your quadratic polynomial. So the next one is general form of a cubic polynomial. So what is the general form of a cubic polynomial? That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, right? Because ax cube, right? The cubic polynomial will have the power 3, right? It will have the power 3. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The next one is the degree of a polynomial ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is, if you see this one, it has the highest degree 4. So the degree of this polynomial will be 4. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of a cubic polynomial, then alpha plus beta plus gamma will be minus b by a. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of a cubic polynomial, then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma will be your c by a. Yes. So if you take a cubic polynomial, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so the sum of the roots will be minus b upon a, which is coefficient of x square by the coefficient of x cube, right, which is minus b by a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma will be c by a, which is your coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Okay, so the next one is, if alpha beta gamma the roots of a cubic polynomial, then the product of the roots will be minus d by a, which is your constant term by the coefficient of x cube. Yes. So the next one is, if the polynomial f of x is 3x minus 2, then we need to find the zero of the polynomial. Okay, if you need to find the zero of the polynomial, okay, you will take 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 by 3. So, x is equals to 2 by 3 will be the zero of this given polynomial. When you substitute x is equals to 2 by 3 in this equation, that will satisfy the equation. So, the next one is p of t is equals to t cube minus 1. Then we need to find p of minus 2. So, just put the value of p of minus 2 in the t cube minus 1 and find the value of p of minus 2. That is, p of minus 2 is equals to t cube minus 1, which is minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube will be minus 8 minus 1, which is minus 9. Okay. So, p of x is equals to x square plus 5x plus x. Then we need to find the zeros of the given polynomial. So, if you want to find the zeros of the given polynomial, we will equate the given polynomial to 0, right? P of x to 0. Now, let us equate the given polynomial to 0. That is, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now, let us factorize this, right, by splitting the middle term. Now, let us take all the possible factors for 6. That is 2, 3, 2 3s are 6 and 1 and 6. Yes. So, now if you multiply these two, okay, if you multiply these two, you need to get plus 6, okay, and if you add them, you need to get plus 5. Okay, so I will take this combination. Yes, now let us split the middle term. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. From the first two terms, I'll take x common, which is x plus 2, and from the next two terms, I'll take plus 3 common, which is x plus 2 is equals to 0. Again, x plus 2 is common, right? So, x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. So, x plus 2 is equals to 0 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to minus 3. So, minus 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay. So, the next one is, if p of x is 4x square plus 3x minus 1, then we need to find the value of p of 1 by 4. Okay. We just need to substitute 1 by 4 in p of x and find the value of p of 1 by 4. Okay. Now, let us substitute p of 1 by 4. is equals to 4 of 1 by 4 whole square plus 3 of 1 by 4 minus 1. That is 4 of 1 by 4 square is 16 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. Yes, 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, which is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. Okay, so if you take an LCM, that will be 1 plus 3 minus 4. Yes, that will be 0. Correct? So, P of 1 by 4 is 0. Okay. The next one is x square plus 7x plus 10. Right? So, this is a quadratic polynomial. So, they have not mentioned anything. So, what we have to do for this question? We'll just factorize. We will find all the possible factors for 10. That is 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Okay. So, if you multiply them, you need to get 10. And if you add the two factors, you need to get plus 7. So, I will be taking this 2 and 5. That is x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. So, from the first two terms, if I take x common, which is x plus 2, and from the next two terms, if I take 5 common, which is x plus 2. So, x plus 2 is common again, and the remaining is x plus 5. So, x plus 2 and x plus 5 are the factors of x square plus 7x plus 10. The next one is P of x is equals to x cube plus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Then we need to find the value of P of 1. Now let us put P of 1 in P of x, and then let us find the value of P of 1. So, P of 1 is equals to, let us put 1 in the place of x. That is 1 cube plus 4 of 1 square plus 5 of 1 minus 2, which is 1 cube is 1 plus 4 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, so which is 9, 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, so P of 1 will be your answer 8. So the next question is sum of the zeros of the given polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. So we need to find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. So how do you find the sum of zeros? Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So from the given polynomial, what is a? A is 1, right? Coefficient of x square. And what is b? B is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, which is 7. Which is 7. And c is constant term, which is 10. C is 10. So we need to find sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta minus b by a. So minus b is minus 7 by a is 1, which is minus 7. Okay.